Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome to the channel. It's me, Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with a plan with me in my classic vertical layout for the week of June 14th through the 20th. Before we jump in, 3 reminders. If you enjoyed the video, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. Also, comment below and let me know what is your favorite color scheme for the summer. And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to join me and the other members of Team Bella, I would love to have you here. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button below and don't forget about that notification bell. So I am, of course, excited every week to see you guys, to talk with you guys, and of course to share with you my plan with me for the week. This is my first time using stickers from the student sticker book Out for Adventure, which came out in the latest Happy Planner student teacher release for back to school. All right, so I picked a color scheme that gave me summer vibes, and I feel like this color scheme with the blues, the palm trees, the pinks is just going to give me summer vibes and summer feels. So we're going to get started, of course, over here in the sidebar. And we're going to use this weekly goal sticker. So it just says weekly. It says weekly assignments, but we are not, of course, using it for weekly assignments. We're just going to kind of use this for highlights of the week. I could use it as a shopping list. And then I'm going to grab this sticker that says, get it done. So right here. All right. Then I am loving the scallop sticker here that says love the here and the now. I kind of almost feel like I want to put it here because I just feel like I need a little something extra in that sidebar. So let's put it here. And then if it doesn't work, we can always relocate it. Okay. Perfect. Oh, no. I know why I didn't put it here. I have something else I'm going to put here. So we're going to put this back where I intended this to go, which is here. Or kind of in the middle here. We can actually just put it here. I think it's going to be so cute. Yes. Okay. So that looks good. That looks really good. And then here on the bottom, we have this cute little babe, and she is so cute with her pink tropical skirt. And then these lovely palm trees will go here as well. Okay. And I want it to look like she is above the palm trees, but she's kind of the same height as the palm trees. So we'll just kind of put them on here. I think the goal is just to incorporate the pieces, and that little bird is in there. I just noticed that little parrot in that tree. Okay. So all right, so we are incorporating another little bird here, and it says get it done, which is super cute, and I don't mind that it comes here. And we can write an action item there, and then we still have everything we need right there. I like this sticker that says due today, so we can put a little pop of gold in it. Just, it's a really light, subtle gold. So, all right. Okay, before we do that, there is this really cute circle sticker that says follow your dreams, girl. And I think that we can take that and put it, I want to cut it flush, of course. You know, planner babes, we think that all of our stickers must be cut flush, or the universe is just going to not just be right if we're not. Things won't be right if I can't cut my circle sticker flat. But before we put that on, let's go ahead and add a couple more elements that I have planned out. Okay. So like here on Monday, the first action item of the day can kind of just go here. And I'm totally feeling that. Okay. And then we have this sticker that can kind of go here. And I love it because we have that little floral that kind of comes over into this area. And then I also have an action item. And I'm just going to layer this a little bit over into this area, because I don't want it to appear to be, you know, too crowded. And then I'm going to put this important sticker here. Okay. And then this sticker that says, "You got this." Okay. So I'm thinking I'll move this flower over to that side. Or yes, I'm going to move the flower over to that side. I think it will. Let's see if I can get it up. Woo-hoo. Okay, so I'm gonna take this sticker, "You got this," and I'm gonna put this here. Then I'm going to get a white gel pen and I'm gonna come on that side. And I'm going to white out we're going to take this floral and we're going to kind of put it here to break that up a little bit. All right. All right. Now we also have, I feel like right here, and maybe I will move this. Let's use this here. Okay. We have another kind of action item right here. Okay. And I think that's pretty right there. All right, so do I need another floral anywhere? I mean, I could put this floral. We're gonna leave that floral and the "You got this" for right now. We are also going to add, I think it will be cute. I don't know if we should add it like up here. Is that too much? Because I'm kind of feeling it. Okay. And then I think a little piece down here. Kind of spread out this washi strip. I think it's gorgeous. Okay. Now we are going to pop to this other side, and you guys know how I feel about keeping things uniform. So I am going to put another circle sticker. I'm going to put it on Thursday, but I'm going to put it up top. And this one says "Rock the Day," and that will probably look really nice right there. I love it. Okay. And then we're going to take down here on this bottom part, put this little decorative sticker here. So it's kind of bringing in more of the birds into the spread. And so I want to get them all laid out. So like on this side, we have that blue, that pink bird. Here, we're going to add the blue bird. Okay. And not only are we adding the blue bird, we have also a pink sticker there as well. So we are going to come this way. Okay. And keep it pushing. All right. I think I like this on Saturday. Okay. Perfect. And I like this one. It says weekend plans. So I feel like we can just bring this down here and see. I have some great weekend plans next week. Okay. Got a quote. It says, "You got this, girl." So I feel like that will look nice right here. Okay. I wonder if this, I think this will look nice here. And then plus it'll be just like what we have on the other side. So I'm just going to line it up with this line here. Okay. All right, so I am here just cleaning up some things, laying things a little straighter. Like this is very crooked. We're gonna straighten that up. Okay. All right, so I wanted to show how we can incorporate, I'm gonna put these birds in here because they are a part of the spread as well. So we have reading. So we have him there. So I wanna put different birds. So let's put this on Monday. Make sure, and by reading, I mean, I'll read my Bible or, you know, for my faith planning, not necessarily just reading. So this says study time. So we want to incorporate these in here as well. Let's see, not where there's too much pink, but I think that will be nice. And then I want to put in this pink sticker that says "You got this," but I don't know where I would put it. Would I put it here? You got this. And then the last thing I have is a blue flower, which I know exactly where I want to put it. I want to cluster it. I want to cluster it over here because I feel like that's really heavy with pink. So I'm definitely feeling this spread. It's preparing us for our first day of summer. This is super cute. I'm definitely liking all of the tropical vibes. Let me know what you think about the spread. I will see you in the next video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. 3 things for me, if you will: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.
Shining, shining like a diamond. I see